In your book, you talk about the 5 connected powers. And this is really about how we can capitalize on the information, on all this information, so that it actually, improves our lives and our careers rather than feeling overwhelmed by it. Tell us more about these connected powers.
So there's 5 powers that together give us the capability of excelling in a world of information overload. The first one is purpose. And we need to know why. Why is it that we want to have any information at all in the first place? What is it that we want to achieve? Why are we working? What are the objectives we want? What are the things we want out of that? What relationship do we want? What do we want for ourselves in our lives? What is the purpose for engaging with information? The second is framing. And this is where we build frameworks where the information that comes into us is just bits of information. It only creates value and knowledge and understanding when it is connected together in a framework, which is the foundation for our knowledge. So we need to learn how it is we pull together the pieces to make sense of them. The third power is filtering, where we need to use these skills to discern between what is valuable to us and useful to us and what is not valuable to us. And because it's just irrelevant, or maybe it's wrong, or maybe it's deliberately trying to mislead us. And using the sources that we have to be able to find the sources that are useful for us. The fourth power is attention. And this is recognizing not just that we're either focused or not focused, but there are different ways in which we can pay attention, and they each have their own role in being able to make sure that we are paying attention to the right things and using that well to distill value from that. And the fifth and final power is synthesis, which is pulling together all of the insights that we have, all of the things that we come across into the understanding, the seeing of the whole, which is ultimately feeding our ability to see opportunities, to keep ahead of change, make better decisions, and create what it is we wish to create.